What's the meaning of country? Country. Country.
Country. Country. The term country refers to a geographic region or territory that is controlled by a government and is inhabited by a population. Countries are typically recognized as sovereign entities with their own distinct borders, laws, and political systems. They may vary in size, population, culture, and economic development. Countries interact with each other through diplomacy, trade, and alliances. Some countries are more developed than others, with higher standards of living and advanced technology, while others struggle with poverty and political instability. Overall, countries are an important part of global society and play a significant role in shaping the world we live in.